Hello, friends. I know that you guys have been wanting longer kind of form process art tutorials. So we're going to use watercolor and any type of thick paper. So you can use watercolor paper or mixed media paper. And we are going to make circles. I love these. They're called mindful watercolor circle doodles, and they're really, really great. You just need like watercolors and the paper, and then you're going to want some pens after it dries. You can use whatever kind of brush you want. I'm going to show you both brushes. You can use a flat brush or even a round brush, and it works out the same. And also too, we're going to stick with color families. So either you can do warm colors like oranges and pinks and yellows, or you can do cool colors, so pinks, purples, that kind of thing. So I'm going to just take a page out of this binder that I have. This is my watercolor meditation journal where I share videos with you guys almost every week about those. And you can pick whatever brush you want. This one I kind of damaged a little bit because I forgot to rinse it off, but I still use it. But I'm going to try the flat brush. I'm going to show you the flat brush, and then I'll show you the round brush with the warmer colors. So you're going to dip it in, and then you're going to load up your brush. So what that means is just make sure that there's a lot of pigment on it. So you're going to really scrape it into that watercolor, and then you're just going to press the brush down and make a circular shape. Just like that. And that's your initial thing, is you want to make like a small circle. It can be imperfect like mine. And then you're just going to hold the brush kind of at an angle and just let the brush do the work. You're going to slowly go around that initial circle that you made. Just like that. And, feel free to go back in. I have this at real, speed. So this is how long it takes me to make these. And you can go in and add more colors inside. You just want to make sure that that color is really saturated and beautiful. And I'm going to go into this really pretty, I love like this aqua color. It's so pretty. This is the prettiest palette, and unfortunately they don't sell it anymore on on Amazon. It got discontinued, but it's so pretty, and it was not that expensive, and the colors are so vivid. So I'm going to be so sad when I use all the colors in there, and this is definitely one of my favorites. As you can see, it gets lots of love. So I'm just being present in the movement. I'm taking deep breaths in and out. And I am just making these beautiful circles. I love making circles. They're so mindful. They're like continuous. So it's definitely one of my favorite shapes to paint. So we're just going to keep going around. And I am using watercolor. You could use something else if you want to, and that would work. But the watercolor, I just love the variation that you get. Like some parts are super saturated and vivid with the color, and then some are a little bit washed out. And I think that that's beautiful. So we're just going to keep working. Like I said, you can go back in and add more colors if you want, and just take your time. You can't do this wrong. We're just making a circle and hold the brush however feels comfortable to you. Just go around and keep going. And we're going to go into the purple and do the same thing. And then I'm going to add in a little bit more of that initial bluish purple that we started out with. And it's so pretty. And I'm keeping my brush fairly dry. And then this is like a purpley red, so I am going to add a little bit of that too. It's going to pick up a little bit, just to kind of define that circle a bit. Then I'm going to go around with the purple one more time. So beautiful. And you're just going to let this dry completely. So I like to do like multiples of these. I mean, they're really pretty. And I like to do them in different colors. Very nice. So we're going to let that dry completely, and then I'm going to show you another version of the warm one. Alrighty, so once our circles are fully dry, we are going to grab markers and we're going to start adding marks. So for this first one, I'm going to start with a spiral. And then I'm just going to make some lines around the edges. So a good rule of thumb, I'm using acrylic paint pens here, but you can use whatever kind of medium you want. I mean, you could just go back in with more watercolors if you want and make kind of messier marks, or you could use pens or different kinds of washable markers work great too, permanent markers. You could use, whatever speaks to you. Oil pastel would be great for this, anything really. The main thing is just to be present and start filling up these beautiful circles with marks. So we're going to start by making short lines around the edge, and your marks can be different from mine. I just love mark making. It's such a great way to just be present in the moment, and you get into the flow state, which is great when you make marks. Because it's so repetitive and it relaxes you and it removes stress. So definitely one of my favorite things to do. And you can lose track of time and you can relax. So I'm just going to keep adding those lines. And then I'm just thinking, what's the next kind of mark that I want to make? So I just encourage you, you can do this in like stages. So maybe one stage you'll paint the circle, and then the next stage you can doodle. You can even break up the doodling if you want to, but I just encourage you to be really mindful in this process. I mean, there's just something so beautiful about circles right there, not ending, which is great. And just the shape is really powerful. So I just encourage you to really take time with this and just fill your circles up with marks that, mean something to you, that are meaningful, that you love to see. It doesn't even have to have meaning, but just marks that you love to see. I love circles. I like dashes. So I'm using a lot of my favorite marks here too. And I'm using colors that are very close to the blue. So they could pop a little bit more, but that's what I felt drawn to. So I always listen to my creative voice. I'm going to go in here with a little bit of gold, and I'm going to kind of speed things up a little bit because it took me forever to doodle. I added some circles in that spiral, and I'm going to add just some dots around too. And I'm going to start adding some warmer colors here. And you can like circle things. So maybe you'll make a circle and then you go around it. So you can layer on marks too. That's such a fun thing to do. I always like to add a little bit of black. I think it pops everything and makes it really, really interesting. So I am not afraid of black at all. It's really fun. It kind of just brings things together. You could add words to these. That would be really cool. So, I mean, the possibilities are endless. I just wanted to show you kind of the simple process of doing these. But make it your own. I'm sure that it'll be fabulous for you. And then we're going to add some white around. And I like to add some arrows, right? Because I like to remind myself that I am constantly moving, even when it doesn't feel like it. And I'm going to add just a few more lines to the other lines that I made at first. And then I'm going to add a little bit of yellow. And you can fill things in too a little bit more. But look at how that one looks. That one's really cool. So let's do the warmer one too. And I'm just going to let you watch me during the process, and I'll come back in a second. And then we're going to go in with the final touches, which is white. So I grabbed a white marker and I am going to go in and just add some marks here just to finish it off. But I really hope you enjoyed this process. If you like these kind of long form videos, please leave me a comment and share with your friends so people will know that I'm creating these long form videos. But I really hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time, friends. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos. I would love to make more for you. Bye bye, friends. Have a great week.